Let me just show you quickly how to use the captions. So basically, if you tap on your recorded piece or on the video that you have the audio already inserted, once you have this here, you'll go to where it says captions and you can unlock it. It's going to play an ad. So let's go ahead and play that ad to show you how this works. Now that the ad has played and the captions are ready to be displayed, the first thing you'll notice is these blue parts here to the top. And as I press play here, you'll notice that it's going to give me the, okay? And what you can do is tap on it right here. And you'll notice they'll appear like this here. And then you can actually change the font style, the colors for them as well. Okay, so you can see how that made a change here and switch to something like that there. And it's really just up to you to make that decision here. But that's how the captions would go about. Again, it's going to be edited all together as you change one of them. All right, let's move on to the next part.